We have a Reverend Eugenio. And let us welcome this time the groom as well as our guardian, Mr. Chang.
Good afternoon to everybody. And this is a very special day in the presence of Kim Yong-tang and Noveline Tabalan to get married. But before we start, is there anyone here who opposed this union may speak now in the state of case? Sa Tagalog, mayroon bang tumututol dito? Kailang pag-aasawa? Kung wala, can you give you a clap of your hands? Palpakan pa natin ang popol. Okay. For better, for worse, for riches, for poorer, than the lost. Lost part?
Yes.
Okay. Did you come here of your own free will and to be yourself forever and belong to service to your from count for better for worse, for riches, for poorer, than death lost part?
Yes, po.
Okay. Now, we have a 5 key of success of a new life together between husband and wife. Number 1, to get married. God be a center of your relationship. It doesn't matter what sect of religion that you have to know. As long as God be a center of your relationship.
Ano daw yun? Tayo na nangyari?
Number 2,
Ring.
number 2, love. The love that you have now is your own decision.
Ayun, sing-sing oh. Nakaya
And
na.
came from your heart. Number 3, you looking back. That's looking at the good and the bad. Now, no other woman.
No other woman.
No. And then, number 4, about decision making. Okay, Evelyn, you cannot make a decision easily. Before you make a decision, you have to talk to your husband because your husband is the head of the family. And also, Kang, before you make a decision, we have to talk to your wife before you make a decision.
Hindi nakanaintindihan ni Sir yan eh. Translator na kasi. Tawon-tawas. Ano ba? Translator. Kaya ang translator.
Before you make a decision,
Ay, itatranslate niya. Itatranslate. Ano na to? Nagkakasal na to. Kapag may backup na to. Hindi ako makasin yun. Kayo, hayop ko. Ang baliktad pala. Ang baliktad? ba? Dapat kasi babae. Eh, ba't di ko pa kanina sinabi? Sino nagpalit? Ha? Ah, nainita.
And then the last outfit. That's the last outfit. Now, from your principal sponsor is your second parent. Principal